Previously, we done a great job by adding the navigation drawer to our app, alright, and making it works. Now, there are a couple of issues with those, and we need to fix that. First, we don't want to see the full tasker on the menu bar, so let's quickly fix that. So inside the customer main activity, under here, I'll just say get support action bar to call the action bar, and then we say set display home as up enable. Oh, sorry. Dot set. It should be display show title enable. This one, and we say false. All right, and you can click this one for the quick change. Hey, it's applied change instantly. All right, and it's gone. Great. So now for this one, if you change something very quick and it doesn't need to be recompile everything, so you can click on this one to run for apply the change rather than view everything here. Cool. The next thing you want to do is if you click on the menu, we're going to fix two things. Header is way too big, all right? And the second one is I'm going to set the background color for this menu. So let's do it. Now first, if you open the draw view, the first thing we want to do, we need to remove the group. All right, remove the group. Okay, just undo that. Oh, okay, so you can press Shift Tab or Tab. Cool. I'll just quickly fix it. All right, save the ones. Now the second thing is that we're going to create a new set of styles for our toolbar and the nav views. Now to create a new styles, remember, open the value under res and go into styles. Okay, so inside here, I'm going to create a new ones. And first I'm going to press style, hit enter. So for the name, we change add theme dot duck. And inside here, we say parent is going to be theme dot app combat. All right, and inside this one, just create new item, hit tab, and inside here we got a name. We set Android and background, hit enter, and we're going to add color slots. Color, slot color. We can name it primary, select primary duck. Okay, now then to apply these new styles to our toolbar and navigation views, we need to open our activities customer main, and inside this one, all right, I think we're going to, for the styles, we might want to remove this one. And for this one, I'm going to say F theme duck. All right. And then down here, inside the navigation view, let's say under here, Android. And we got a theme. And this one is going to be styles at theme duck. Alright, just like that one. We got drawer, that's fine. We got nav header, cool. And here we got F, and then we got item icon team. We say this one we're going to select light gray. Alright, and then for the F, item text color, we choose the light gray as well. All right, hit save. Well, actually you don't need to do that because it just automatically save for you. Okay, now if you want, you can run the app again, because we might need to synchronize all of the style of the configuration, so we need to click the run rather than just apply the change. All right, login. Hey, look at this. First, we got the different color for action bar. If you click on this one to open, hey, that's nice. But we still got a problem with the header. We're going to fix that in a bit, but right now, see that? The item menu, we got different color, which is good. Click on this one, open, click on tray, beautiful. Next, we're going to fix the navbar header, and we're going to display an image for the user avatar along with the username down here. Okay, let's go back our project, and for now I'll just close everything here as we don't need. Okay, so inside the activity customer main, oh sorry, inside the nav header actually, so I'll just double click on the nav header. We're going to display an image for the avatar, and along with that the customer name or username. Alright, so first I'm going to click on this one and remove it. Might change this one a little bit bigger. Close this for now. Okay, and this one, click on this one and change it to horizontal. Alright, and it should change horizontal. And then under command, click image view, just drag and drop here. Or you can drag and drop here, that's fine. And for the icon, we select the IC launcher row. Oh, you can click this one, IC launcher. Great. And then we're going to add another text view for the username. Now let's say for the IC launcher, well actually I can change this one to the row actually. Does that work? Yeah. Okay. And we're going to set the width 7 dp, and for the height is 7 dp. Hit enter. And for the layout width, we just leave it blank. Hit enter. Okay, that seems to be good. Now for the text view, this one, let's say for text we name it, and let's say Leo Chiu. Hit enter. And then for the text size 17, hit enter. Text color we say white. Yep, that's fun. And we're going to make it 15%, 15 pixel to the image. So what I want you to do, just click on this one and under layout margin, and from the left we say 15. Hit enter. Alright, that's cool. And now I want you to click on this highlight the linear layout, and actually I'll just go back to this one, and for the layout high we say wrap content. Alright, so we just wrap content here, and for the gravity I'm gonna say central vertical. Cool. And hit OK. Now if you want, you can change this one to bow. Yeah, looks good. Now if you run the app again, log in. Now click on the menu. Hey, first of all we got the icon. Yeah, oh sorry, we got an image, we got the names, but for some reason two issues. The background doesn't work great, and the second reason is that our image seems to be cropped at the top. Alright, now I think because of our navigation view automatically adjusts its height to fit the system window, so it causes the issue. Alright, we need to minus the height of the status bar up here. Alright, let's fix that. So we go back to our nav header, change to the text mode. Alright, so for the background we're going to check add color. Okay, so the primary dark. All right, let's save that one. And for the other ones, let's open the activity customer main. And all right, so up here, we're going to remove this set. Okay, just like that. And run the app again. Log in. And then click this button. Hey, look at this. So now we got a very nice menu. Awesome. All right, so far we create a new screen for customer and a navigation drawer to display the menu with different options. So in the next couple of following sessions, we're going to start adding new screens for each menu items, like listed restaurants if people click on this one, and choice screen, auto screen, and finally is the logout. So you will learn quite a lot of how to design the UI and handle events in Android. I'll see you then.